What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be opening a coconut. Here's our coconut. Wow. So I asked my mom to crack it open with me, but she ended up just watching a YouTube video. Now that we're educated on slapping coconuts, you're gonna want to have your coconut and your chef knife. Don't.
It's a weird feeling coconut.
You're not going to open it. That was the whole thing. She said you're going to.
Alright. Now that.
I'm just going to cut off that. If you need to. Yeah.
This is the husk, and then here's the hard coconut sauce. So now that we have a clean workstation, we have our coconut. Let's give it a little knock.
So now you want to grab your chef knife and you want to give it a nice whack, 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 whack. And of course you're not strong enough to open it, so have mommy help you because mommy is strong.
Whoa! Oh my goodness!
Alright, so we're going to get quick.
Then pour it into a glass and pour it all over your table too.
Oh, we got it.
You'll find that the white part of the coconut is kind of jelly-like. If your coconut water is purpley or pinkish, do not drink
That
it.
does not smell like coconut.
Then you can take out the white layer of the coconut.
Texture's a little slimy, a little. Ugh, it's so slimy. I've never even had octopus, but if it's like this, then I don't want it.
But in smoothies, they're right.
Okay, so smell it. What's coconut in Spanish? So we have some water in there.
That's weird.
It's like,
taste?
oh my god. Ooh, it's like real.
Freeze that and we'll.